Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and just yesterday I made a video on how to create this one, and now someone has asked how to create, well, let's just move that whole thing over. How to create this one. This is just as easy, if not anything at all. Let's hit P, put it in the center of the page. Just gonna get them close to the center of the page. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's take a square. And because we're working in the center of the page, this makes life a little easier. And now all we need to do is make some ovals, kind of rounded oblong ovals. So we're just gonna go and, not holding down the control button, make it about right there and hit P, grab it with the pick tool, holding down the control button until it snaps on the edge. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring in some indexing lines. So I grab the ruler, evidently got them turned off. There they are. I am going to Control D and make a duplicate. And I'm going to move the center rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it is, but we'll check it, and it is. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now let's weld this. There's that exact, well, close enough to that shape. His ovals are a little bit higher up than mine. So we'll do the same thing we did yesterday. We're going to go to Effects, Contour. Contour twice. And yesterday we did it to the outside and it kind of worked this time. Let's look at it to the inside and just see what the difference is. Yep, the outside is better, or I think it is, because you can always change your dimension of your object. Now let's bring in that, I might erase that green square. Let's bring in a green square, go up to Object, Order, Back a Page, and then all we have to do is use the Smart Fill tool to make that outside one red, and then change it to white. And that's why I put the green backing so we could see it. I would go ahead and suggest taking away the outline. Now we can do the same thing we did yesterday. We can actually use the Attribute Eyedropper tool, possibly. So we're going to show that off. We're going to take a sample of our interactive fill tool, and it worked. There's an exact copy. Now that you have it, you can always grab your interactive fill tool and change that, like put it more in the center, make it more or less, change the angle. You'd kind of want this one kind of be the same all the way. Anyway, and then if you look at this one side by side with a green background, pretty good. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.